All right, let us go. Wait, which way's the wind?
It's still favoring right to left. It's kind of to the northeast.
Yeah, that's the bump right there. That's why we're getting the bump.
It's right where the pavement's split.
Yeah. Get out of there, Hawks. There's a bigger hawk above him.
This battery's charged.
Yeah, I checked. Shut up. All right, let's go. Make sure they get out of the way.
And see what I do with this blue box thing is halfway through the roll when I know I'm taking off, I flip the wheels.
Right. And sometimes I do that. I just didn't today.
I don't flip them right away just in case they're but once I do, lifting off, it's like no turning back now.
No. I got a lot of extra. That's full roll.
Yeah, I was flying my car with my why does it have no roll? One of the 8 runs through the field.
Uh-oh.
It like came on tape. They taped back on. They taped out on that plane. They didn't glue the servos in.
They just taped it?
They just taped it.
Oh, come on.
Time remaining.
So I taped it back for the temporarily, and then they have like the elevator servo on the inside, and it's just taped down. So, oh no, they use that like shitty epoxy glue. It never holds. So I went in like de-ate all the servos and stuff. Not going
I usually just hot glue, so if I want to pull them out, I can. That's what I love about it. You can just whip it.
Reminds me of the 70 millivolts. Just
Whatever you want.
God, I saw their video.
Oh yeah.
This thing was screaming.
It's fast.
And he was flying it heavy too, with a 5,000.
That's a big old pack in it.
That thing had a 4,000.
And I see they said the next flight they're gonna use a 4,000. Yeah, they're birds.
That's yeah, like on takeoff, but you could just hear the extra power.
Oh yeah.
It still has that like weird.
That weird howl it does.
Yeah. I might put the rudder in here.
It helps.
What do you have in there?
Barely anything, but it's enough to help.
Yeah, I might do that with mine.
Seconds.
Although flying full scale, I just kind of naturally put the rudder in. So, I don't know, we'll see.
Birds clear out.
Yes, they're done. Just that one. Ooh, those clouds.
Yeah, that's what I'm loving. It gives more texture to the sky instead of just blue.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired. Gear down.
See, and when they come down, they take even longer because they have to lift the gear door over.
Right. Still cross, or is it mostly down the runway? The gyro helps here.
Yeah, you can tell yours is coming in way more involved. Yep, right there. Right where the pavement is, where all that sink is always.
Well, the cool thing about this plane is if you have it in the right attitude,
It just
comes down. Then you don't have to drop the throttle; it just comes down.
Those videos you're doing in gross. I never thought about it when the sun's going down, go stand on the other end
Other
of the
side,
road.
yeah. It helped.
I've never stayed to that late.
It helped. A lot.
Were they nice about letting you fly when you got there?
Oh yeah, they're cool.
Yeah.
I still might actually join. I found an email. He sent me an email, so I still might actually join.
Oh, they opened the membership back up?
Yeah.